Before setting another goal, ask yourself this: why do you want it? Kasi ako, I've been also setting goals for myself, like everyone else did. Lose weight, I want to move my body more, I want to feel healthier. But then, kapag I feel like boring na yung routine, I feel like, nahihirapan na ako or nawala na yung hype, typically 1 to 2 weeks after ko mag-set ng goal, nag-give up na ako. I don't know if ako lang yon, or ganun ka din. Ang na-learn ko doon is that I really need to know my why. Why am I doing what I'm doing? Kasi your why, it's the reason why you keep showing up even you don't feel like it. And the deeper your why, the stronger yung pull nun sa'yo if nawala kang motivation, nawala na yung willpower mo. So try this. Ask yourself, why do you want to achieve the goal you want to achieve? And then ask yourself multiple times hanggang hindi ka na makapag-reason out. And that is your real why. That's your real reason behind your goal. So ako, my reason why I'm doing this wellness journey, I want to look good, I want to feel good, but deeper than that, I want to be with my daughter every single time. Ayokong mawala sa tabi niya dahil lang may sakit ako. I want to grow old na walang doctor's prescription. And gusto ko strong yung body ko. I can enjoy life kahit matanda na ako. Ayoko nung sasakit agad yung tuhod ko o yung likod ko. Because I want to spend time with my family. When you know your why, all of your excuses will disappear. And when you really know your why, your how will automatically follow. I'll see you tomorrow.